Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread step by step. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Measure each ingredient carefully to ensure the best outcome. Next, activate your yeast by dissolving it in the warm water with a pinch of sugar, letting it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. This step is crucial for a successful rise. Once your yeast is active, combine it with the flour and salt in a large bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover it and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough to release the air. This step helps create a finer crumb. Turn the dough out onto a clean surface and shape it into your desired loaf. You can make a classic round loaf or a rectangular one for slicing. Place the shaped dough into a greased loaf pan or onto a baking sheet. Cover it again and let it rise for a second time for about 30 to 60 minutes until it looks puffy and almost doubled. Now for the best part, baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once preheated, carefully place your risen loaf into the oven. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.